Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Giving pre-made croutons a flavor boost is simple. How to make store-bought croutons taste freshly made. 1 to 2 tablespoons butter or margarine. 1 teaspoon garlic or onion powder, or 1 clove minced garlic. 1 tablespoon chopped or sliced onion. 3/4 cup pre-made croutons. Dash herbes de Provence or parsley. The 27th of June 2014.
Make your mark, take our lead.
3 answers. It's easy to make croutons crunchy. Just dry the bread pieces in a dehydrator or low-temperature oven, around 125 degrees Celsius, for a couple of hours. This should be done before adding oil or seasonings, since the process would cook off a lot of their flavor. 16 August 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
That translates to a superior crunch in every crouton, despite containing no gluten. And since it's only available at Trader Joe's, that translates to superior value. We're selling each 5-ounce bag of plantain croutons for $1.99, every day. 22 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.